Exercise 7.2. The number of telephone calls received at an exchange per interval for 250 successive 1 minute intervals are given in the following frequency table. Compute the mean number of calls per interval. So, the exchange rate is 250 successive per interval for 250 successive minute intervals. So, xi is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and fi is, now fi are the number of calls per interval. So for the zeroth interval, in the beginning there were 15 calls. Then for the first interval there were 24 calls. Then for the second one there were 29. Similarly, so here they have given us for the intervals. They have not given us for a particular value of the observation. So there is a need to find ui. There is a need to find. So ui will be xi minus a. Now what is a? A is the assumed mean. Assumed mean, that is the middlemost value, which can be the middlemost value. So from 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 we can assume 3 to be our mean. We can assume that 3 is our mean because it's the middle value. When we calculate ui, we will subtract the assumed mean from our x value. So from 0, when we subtract a, we will get minus 3. From 1, minus 2. From 2, we'll get minus 1. Then from 3, we'll get 0. Again 1, 2, and 3. But the formula now here will be, mean will be assumed mean plus summation fiui upon summation f. Summation f here is 250, and summation fiui, remember it is not fixi, it is not multiplied with x, because see, when you multiply the first one with x, it will get 0. Now here also it is giving 0, but it is our assumed mean, so we are adding 3 here, as it the frequency of it, the fiui term of it came 0, we are adding 3 over here. So 15 into minus 3 is minus 45, then minus 48, minus 29, 0, 54, 86, 117. So summation FIUI or our T is 135 here. So mean will be assumed mean plus summation F upon summation FU. So it is 885 upon 250, so 3.54. So we can see it is quite near to our assumed mean, that is 3.